You're a little girl, you can do that.
You gotta sit up.
Which direction is up?
What if we go like this?
Okay.
Can we do that?
That would be fine. And I'll just keep turning you towards Dad.
Hi. Oh my God. Edgar.
Oh, he's your big boy,
I
isn't he?
know, he doesn't look like a little baby anymore.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't. Oh. See, if Eric hadn't come, I would have been like, oh, just cut his bangs and leave the rest of it. But we're going to do what we should do instead, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh, your hair on the floor.
See videotaping you. This is a big moment. This is as big as their first birthday.
You had hair at that. Oh, gosh. You are being such a good boy, Edgar.
After Dad's recording, I'll tell you the story of my daughter's first haircut.
Did it go so well?
Oh, it was half the haircut. And it wasn't because she cut her own hair. I still want it on video.
I'm going to be covered in Edgar hair right now.
Does that feel funny, baby?
I feel different, huh?
Don't look at me like that.
He always
Yeah.
is. Even I fear the worst. He always does so good.
You checking out what's going on over here? Why am I on my knees?
Wow. Oh, can you see yourself in the mirror? Oh. It's like
He looks even more like me now.
Wow. Look at you. Got some cleaning
Wow.
up to do back here, though, so it looks good.
Wow.
Ooh-wah.
Ooh-wah. Can you say ooh-wah? Can you say nope? He was telling me nope earlier
What's he
today.
saying? No. Kids, I swear they learn no really fast.
Yes.
I think it's because
He
we
hasn't
say it.
been using it that much lately, though, so that was nice. He used it and then forgot.
Look at you, so handsome. I've got a few sprays back here I'd like to kind of clean up if I can.
Ooh-wah. Let's see. So should we sit like this?
Or Linda's back a workout. Oh, that I'm not so worried about. I need to kind of get right here. You're not going to let me, are you? Look at, what's that? Is that water? Did you get wet when you take a bath? Huh? Do you like bath time?
Does he?
Maybe to dry it off isn't going to be so bad now. He doesn't have so
Yeah.
much hair to dry.
Yeah, and see what you're doing back there. Who's in that book? Losing his time. His teacher's signals in active mode. A little bit more. These shoes are getting way in here.
Whatever works. Can you sit up a little bit more? You're kind of sliding.
All that silky cape Mom's got on her.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not helping. Alright, should we do it like this again? You have some stuck to your face.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah? Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Does your hair feel wow? Does that feel wow now? Just kind of take a little of this down so it doesn't look top heavy. Yeah? Sorry. All right, Miss Linda, you had your time.
Just wait till it starts growing in thick like mine.
You have Mama's hair color and Daddy's thick hair.
Yeah, I have to get mine thinned out every time.
Oh, I believe it. It looks like you have a good head of hair.
We could break out the Cheerios if we need to.
You have Cheerios?
You're being so good after